Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix if Instagram is not opening or working for you. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and right here you have to search for the Instagram. Once you will search for it, here you will see update button. As you can see, here is open button, but you will see update button. Simply you have to click on that. Once you will do it, your Instagram will be update. After that, go back and tap a while on the Instagram application, and here you will see info button. So simply you have to click on it. Once you will do it, here you will see storage and the cache, and after that you can simply clear your cache of the Instagram and try to open your Instagram. Hope it will work. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.